The tiny hero. Bella is in the kitchen. Mom, Mom. I'm going for a walk, says Bella. Okay, bye Bella. Bye Mom. Mom, Mom. Oh no, who is this? Oh. The man breathes. Bella falls down. Bella runs fast. Mom, a giant man fell. Oh no, take water. Grandma, help the giant. Grandpa, quick, quick. A giant? Is he bigger than a watermelon? Bella calls Uncle John. Wait, Bella, my heart is beating fast. Look, everyone has water. The ants are scared. Ready? 1, 2, 3, splash! Oof, they slip. Everyone falls down. Thank you. You saved me. Time to go home. Bye, friends. Good job, Bella. Kind heart. Mommy is so happy about Bella.